Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Ada. On this channel I share simple tech tutorial videos for beginners using your Android phone. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a YouTube channel on your Android phone. So if that sounds like what you're interested in, continue watching. Before you can create a YouTube channel, you must have the app on your phone, okay? And to download the app, you're going to go to Google Play Store to download the app. But if you have the app already on your phone, the first thing you're going to do is to go to the app, YouTube app, you tap on it. Okay, so there are two methods to create a YouTube account, okay? You can create a YouTube account using your existing Gmail account. Of course, you should have a Gmail account for you to be able to create a YouTube account, okay? So you can create a YouTube channel using an existing Gmail account, or you can also create a YouTube channel using a fresh Gmail account. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a YouTube channel using an existing Gmail account I've used to create a previous channel, meaning you can use a particular Gmail account to create as many channels as you want, okay? So that is what I'll be showing you in this video. What you're going to do is to tap on the avatar. Once you tap on the avatar, the next thing you're going to do is to go to this arrow here, you tap on it. So once you tap on the arrow, like I said, you're going to create a YouTube channel using an existing Gmail account or using an email account I've used to create a previous channel. So this email address, okay, I've used it to create this channel you're seeing here. So I'm going to still use this email address, okay, to create another new channel. So this email address has this channel, okay, and also has this name here that has no channel, okay. So what I'm going to do is to tap on this that says no channel, okay. So once I tap on it, so it will bring me to this page. So the next thing I'm going to do is to tap on this avatar here. Remember, this has no channel, so I'm going to tap on this avatar here. Once I tap on the avatar, the next thing you're going to do is to go to your channel. Click on your channel to create a fresh YouTube channel. So we are going to create a new channel using an existing Gmail account we've used to create a previous channel. Hope that made sense. So if I want to leave this name like this, I can leave it like this, okay? But if I want to change it, okay, I can as well change it, okay? So if I want to change it, I'm going to go here and tap on this to edit, okay? So once I tap on this, I can go to this place, then I tap on it to clear. You can choose any name, the name of your channel. You must have the name of your channel in mind, okay? The name you want your channel to bear, okay? So that is the name that should be here. That is the name of your channel. So you're going to replace this with the name of your channel. So, but if you want your name to be there, you can, use your name or leave it at your name. For instance, I want this channel name to bear how to's on Android. This is what my channel name will be. Once you're sure this is the name you want, you just go to create channel, okay? By tapping the create channel, you agree to YouTube terms of service. Okay, you can click to learn more and all that. So you want to create this channel. We are betting a new channel. Just go ahead and tap on this create channel to create your channel. Let's tap on this. Boom, our channel is created. Hope you guys are seeing this. So this is a new channel we have now, a brand new channel using your existing email or Gmail account. You've learned how to create a YouTube channel on your Android phone using an existing email or Gmail address. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.